welcome back to Emily's Kitchen. Today I'm going to share with you a vegetarian dish. It's called egg tofu with asparagus. And we are going to make the egg tofu ourselves. It's so easy to be made at home. Only 3 ingredients are required. So one is the unsweetened soy milk, eggs, and a little bit of salt. Shall we start cooking?
Mix 3 eggs, unsweetened soy milk and a pinch of salt together. The amount of unsweetened soy milk is 1.5 times more than the eggs. After it is combined, we are going to sieve the mixture for 3 times. This is to ensure the smoothness of the egg tofu. Before we start steaming the egg tofu, we need to place a heat-resistant cling wrap in the glass container. Place the steamer over the boiling water and steam over medium heat for 20 minutes. Leave a gap when you steam so that it is not overheated. While waiting, we can do some other work. First, peel the skin of asparagus, cut into half, cut the shitake mushrooms, the red capsicum, and chop the garlic. After 20 minutes, egg tofu is done. Now cut it into equal size. To cook the asparagus, we are going to fry the garlic first until it is fragrant. Then add in the asparagus and continue frying. Add a little bit of salt to taste. When it is ready, dish out and arrange on a plate. Insert a chopstick in the hot oil. When you see the tiny bubble, it is ready to fry our egg tofu. When both sides turn golden brown, we can take them out and place it on a paper towel to get rid of the excess oil. To cook the sauce for the tofu, first we are going to fry the shitake mushroom. Then we are going to fry the red capsicum. Then adding some baby corn. Adding some oyster sauce to give it a more flavor, and also the soy sauce. Add 2 tablespoons of corn flour water to thicken the sauce.
Look at our awesome egg tofu with asparagus. If you can produce this dish, I'm sure your wife, your husband, your boyfriend, your girlfriend, your partners, your kids, your dog, your cat, they will be loving you so much. Go, go, go! Let's do it tonight and impress them with this dish. Thank you for watching Emily's Kitchen. If you like my video, please support me by pressing the button and subscribe to my channels. I'm going to share simple and delicious Asian cooking with you guys every week.